Hello there and welcome to episode 65 of the Daily Shed. Today I'm going to be talking about when you're beginning to play fingerstyle. It's a real simple exercise to get your thumb, index, and middle fingers working, and also how to add a good rhythmic, some swing to it, a good rhythmic feel to your rhythmic patterns that'll really help increase your coordination. So again, just using the thumb, index, and middle finger, and form a simple G chord. And for this case, you actually don't need to fret the A string. We won't be using that. We're just going to be using just the G note on your low E string. That's on the 3rd fret. And then the G string, the open G string, not fretting that. And on the 3rd fret of the B string. So, okay. And so the basic pattern before we add the swing rhythm to it is just your thumb, index, middle, index, thumb again. Just those 3 notes. And you get those just working until they're all nice and even. Make sure to let them all ring out. You're not stopping any of them. You have a good clear tone. Okay, then we'll do the same thing with a C. Okay, form a C chord. And you're going to be playing with your thumb on the A string on the 3rd fret, and the open G string again with your index finger, and the 1st fret of the B string, it's a C, with your middle finger, and same pattern as before. Thumb, middle, index, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb. Try to get the most clear tone that you can, and very even and regular. Okay, now try going back and forth between the G and the C. 4 times on the G, then switch as cleanly as you can, then back to the G. And try to aim, when you switch, aim for that root first, aim for the lowest note first, because that's the first one you'll be hitting. You can get there while the rest of your fingers are getting in place. Okay? Once you're comfortable with that, then we'll add a little swing to it. And what a swing is just adding a little syncopated rhythm. In this case, is da 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 da. What we're doing here, what I was just showing you, is da 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 da. The swing rhythm is like da. So your thumb holds it a bit longer. Your index finger is goes for a little shorter, and the middle finger goes for a little longer. So do the same thing again. Do it on G first and get comfortable with that rhythm. Then do it 4 times and switch to the C. Again, switch very cleanly and start very slowly. And to help you get really get the right rhythmic feel to it, think of it as every note having 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're switching on the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To help you get the proper rhythm, just think about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. On the 3, 4, and 6, that's where you're plucking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. I guess so. 1. C, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 3, 4, and 6 is where you're plucking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And do 4 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really try to get that really good and solid, again producing a very clear tone and switching cleanly, and try to get that rhythm really solid. It'll really help with adding a rhythmic flavor to your finger picking and getting your fingers used to doing some different rhythms, and it'll be good for coordination too. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, let me know any questions or comments you might have. All right, thanks for watching.